arms embargo, President Recep Tayyip Erdogan said. Erdogan added that Turkey was not purchasing weapons, which it is capable of producing itself, reported SputnikNews.com. In 2002, we fulfilled 62 defense projects. Today, this figure has reached 700. We have increased the budget of our defense projects from $5.50 to $60 billion. 7 Turkish companies are on the list of the world's biggest defense companies. Turkey is capable of overcoming all the difficulties created by foreign suppliers, their hidden and open embargoes, Erdogan said on late Thursday. He stressed that Turkey had managed to launch the production of cameras for drones after Canada had imposed an arms embargo on Ankara over its involvement in the conflict in Nagorno-Karabakh. Lawmakers from 3 of the Netherlands' 4 coalition parties called on the foreign minister to pressure Europe into imposing an arms embargo on Turkey over its involvement in the recent fighting that erupted over the disputed region of Nagorno-Karabakh, Dutchnews.nl reported on Wednesday. Greece has also called on the European Union to cease and prevent arms exports to Turkey, in new efforts to put diplomatic pressure on Turkey over its regional policies. Last month, the U.S. warned Turkey that there would be serious consequences for the security relationship between the U.S. and Turkey if Ankara continued to proceed with its testing activities involving Russian-designed air defense systems. The U.S. also warned that Turkey's S-400 deliveries would be devastating, not only to the F-35 program. It could potentially rupture Turkish interoperability with NATO, because the S-400 is specifically designed to shoot down an aircraft such as the F-35. Washington has been opposing the agreement and demanded that Turkey ditch the S-400s and purchase U.S. Patriot systems instead. However, Ankara and Moscow both continued negotiations on an additional batch of S-400. The country has since received 36 S-400 fire units and more than 192 missiles and has recently expressed an interest in buying more.